Can we view Hotmail password on iPhone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can view Hotmail password on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for people that didn't know, Hotmail is now known as Outlook. So what we'll need to do is open up our Outlook app and also make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you're here, tap on the tap on your profile icon on the top left corner. And after we are here, we will head over to our settings. Now, since viewing passwords can be on settings and security. So after you're on your settings, there you can check out for different settings here. So let's head over to accounts. And there you will see our account. So tap on your account. And on your account, you will be able to see a lot of different options, such as reset account, remove account, sync settings, and stuff like that. But there is no option to actually see our password. So yeah, that's basically what it is. So let's head over back again and check more options out. You can see signatures and stuff like that. So there is still no option. So let's head over to privacy, and yep, no option there as well. So yeah, I hope, yep, there is no option to actually see the password for your Hotmail. So I hope this video answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.